Curious what a jet drive looks like? Well, this is part of the jet drive. You can see the big hole, which is where the impeller goes. So there's a big impeller that goes here inside, not a propeller outside, but an impeller. And you can see that big square hole down there. That's where the water intake is. So the jet sucks the water up and it comes out through here. And then there's a nozzle that screws onto that, and the nozzle shoots straight back, just like a jet airplane does. And then there's a bucket that will go down, and the bucket is the reversing bucket, so that way you get neutral or you get reverse, where it buckets and squirts the water forward to give you a reverse motion. So for maintenance on a jet drive, you've got to take the jet impeller off of the shaft, just like a regular boat shaft, but it's an impeller, not a propeller. Got to take the grate off that's down there, and then you have to take off the bucket apparatus that goes back here. That's the starboard. There's the port, and the strange building behind me is actually a spacewalk kind of tent. And inside of there, that's their spray tent, where they've actually got the other parts of the jet that are being spray painted. There's one hanging, see it hanging over there? And there's the other one hanging over there. So they've got this set up really nice for environmental purposes, to keep all the spray paint from drifting around to the boatyard, getting on the other boats like those. That one there, and all these other boats sitting on the hill, dry dock in the boatyard. So if you want to learn more about jet drives, look up Hamilton Jet Drive or ask Captain Chris. Those are trim tabs. Trim tab starboard, trim tab port. Ask Captain Chris.